In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps from Shopify Apps on Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, choose, and install apps to extend the functionality of your Shopify store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your store's admin area. This main page is often called the Shopify dashboard. It's where you manage everything for your store, from products and orders to settings and apps. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Apps. This section is dedicated to everything related to apps that are already installed, as well as recommendations from Shopify that can help you grow your store. Once you're on the Apps page, look for a link or button that says All Recommended Apps. Go ahead and click that. This area highlights apps that Shopify suggests based on common store needs, like marketing, shipping, or design. Even if you already know what you're looking for, this page can be a helpful place to discover tools you might not have considered yet. Next, you'll want to access the full marketplace. On this page, click on Shopify App Store. This will open the official Shopify App Store, which is where thousands of apps are listed. Here you can browse by category, use filters, and read reviews to understand what each app does and how it's rated by other merchants. Now, either scroll through the featured and recommended apps, or use the search bar at the top to find a specific app you have in mind. Type in the name or a keyword like email marketing, reviews, or pop-ups. When you see an app you're interested in, click on it to open its details page. Take a moment to read the description, check the pricing, and look at the reviews and screenshots so you know what you're installing. When you're ready to add the app, click the Install button on the app's page. Shopify will then show you a permission screen. This tells you what parts of your store the app will be able to access. Review this information carefully, and if you're comfortable with it, click Install again to confirm. After a moment, the app will finish installing, and that's it. You've successfully added an app to your Shopify store. From here, you'll usually be taken to the app's setup page, where you can adjust its settings and start using it right away.